All right, D4 symptoms of a bad sensor and replacement. If you look at a sensor, you'll see that the pins are actually offset in the plug. Most newcomers, when they get into this hobby, they really don't understand that there's a direction on these plugs. And if you look at the pin in the hole, it's actually offset. And the groove in the side of the plug kind of determines which way the plug will plug in. If you try and force it, you'll either break the pin or you'll break the solder joint or one of these little copper foil runners that run down the side of the sensor itself. Swapping it out is easy. You'll see you've got 3 Phillips screws. Take it out. Make sure you don't lose this little insulator, because if you do, sometimes the back of these, if the solder is a little bit, the surface is above the level of the fiberglass, sometimes it'll short against the inside of this and you'll get a sensor board failure there also. Reassembly, I try and set the sensor about 1 millimeter away from the edge of the rotor. And it's easier to see on this one. That's about right. To reassemble the motor, I cheat. I like to stick my finger against the side of the shaft and stick this out through the edge of the motor. And then you can line up the edge of the bearing with the shaft. Let it run over the side. Take your shield. Front of the motor, making sure that the front spacer is in place. Line it up. And usually I'll take and hold pressure against it and index it into the screw, or into the edge of the hole rather. You can hold pressure and check and play. And if you have way more than you had, you know you dropped a spacer someplace. From there, tighten, and you're done. Hopefully if everything works out right, it'll run. Thanks.